All right, folks, today we're looking at a 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen 19RBHL. This camper is 4,788 pounds dry, and then it has a gross vehicle weight of 7,520 pounds fully loaded. So it is half-ton towable. You don't need any big trucks to haul this camper. You have a length of 23 feet 10 inches. And a width of 8 feet, height of 10 foot 10 inches. It's a good looking camper, fiberglass exterior. It's one of my personal favorites, so let's take a walk around it. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen, the 19RBHL. One of my personal favorites. Got fiberglass exterior, electric jack up here in the front, 20-gallon propane tanks. Got big pass-through storage up here. You can put anything you want up here, basically. We got our free starter kit, everything you need to start going camping in it. But if you want to put fishing poles, tent for the kids, if you don't want them with you on the inside, anything you want up here, nice big pass-through storage. Out here, you got your outside entertainment, 2 outside speakers controlled from the inside so you can control your zoning. You got your plug for your TV and everything, and of course this mount, that TV in the side comes directly outside. Basically just lift it up, slide it right down to this mount, so there's no need for 2 separate mounting systems. This camper has the solar panel on it, so it has the Go Power solar controller. That is not a standard option, but it's an upgrade, so you can option in the solar panels. That being said, it will be solar prepped, so it will have the plug in the front to be able to plug in like a suitcase solar panel or one you want to take with you, as well as it has the solid steps, so nice and easy to fold in and out. Basically just lift them up, lock into place for travel. If you want to bring them back out, just pull the little knob, don't let it get caught on the door, and they're back down. Nice and safe and secure, and a big grab handle for safety when you walk in. Heritage Glen does everything really nice. They put everything in a nice central location so you're not running around the camper looking for all your connecting spots. You got your 30 amp plug-in right here, and then right next door to it you have your water hookups. So you have city water is hook up right here, and then you have your fresh tank fill up. So if you're going boondocking, you just want an off tank, it's right there. Then you also have your black tank flush. So when you go to dump the tanks, you hook the hose up right here, starts flushing out the tank for you. And then right down here, you don't have to go again to a different spot to hook the hose up. Pull the black tank, and as it's flushing, you drain the tank. You don't have to do a lot of moving around the camper and maneuvering. So of course you got a shower too, so if you want to wash the dog or wash off muddy kids, you're outside the camper and not tracking all that dirt inside. So we're inside the camper now. As soon as you walk in the door, you got a nice closet here. Got a couple shelves, but of course you can remove those if you want to put coats or something in there. Right next door to it, you got a 12-volt refrigerator. You can opt for the gas electric refrigerator, which is nice because if you're traveling down the road, you want to pull over, get something to drink out. It's right by the door, so you don't have to run any slides out, any kind of competing with the slider to look at. Again, right inside the door, so again, no moving the slider or anything. You have access to the bathroom. So if you want to pull over, use the bathroom, not go into a rest stop, have to deal with any kind of accessories or anything like that, or it's just an emergency, pull over, get to the bathroom, not have to run a slide out, just open the door and go. Here's the kitchen. Got a standard microwave in this camper. Again, 3-burner stove with the glass top that turns into the backsplash, so you're not splashing grease and everything when you're cooking bacon. Nice little oven here. Of course, you got the nice light up decor on there. Good storage underneath that with the glass accent, so it all looks like it flows together. 2 basin sink with a drying rack on it, so you have clean dishes in one, dry dishes in another, rinse them off, and a nice drying rack so you can dry everything. Nice big countertop here, so you have plenty of space to put a coffee pot or make a nice dinner, but plenty of space so you're not don't feel crowded anything like that. Nice, lots of storage up here as well, and they got that nice glass accent so you can see everything. Gives you kind of that farm style feel to it. This is your entertainment center, so this is where that you can select your zones for entertainment, and the TV. If you want to bring it outside, you can play it in here in the speakers in the ceiling, or you can rotate it out to the outside and play them both at once, and or just one zone at a time. Nice big storage up through the bottom of the cabinetry there. Full size queen bed in this camper. Nice storage on each side. His and hers storage on each side as well as above. And then you can see behind, you actually have plugs on each side. So if you have want to charge your phone, they're kind of tucked up away behind there so you can't see them. Or if you have like a CPAP machine or anything like that, they have their nice own little cubby as well as plugs back there. So everything's kind of nice and tucked away, as well as good storage for everything. As well as, I believe this, yep. This bed does lift up, and there's a nice big space here for even more blankets or pillows or anything like that. And it does have a jack to stand up. I don't have to hold it. Here's this has the theater seating option, and with this it has the slide mount here for a table. It will come with a table, so you can eat while you're watching TV or just relax in the inside of the camper. Avoid the heat with the air conditioner that comes with it that's ducted throughout the camper. So they do recline. They do have nice relaxing, good storage in the middle with chargers in it. So as well as both windows on the side open up, and they are tinted for privacy. These curtains you see here are basically 100% blackout, no one can see in, but even with them open, the windows are tinted, so it still gives you a lot of privacy while you have the shades open. So Heritage Glen again does things fantastically. Porcelain toilet, so no worries about cracking or anything when the temperature changes. Nice storage with the medicine cabinet, so able to hold all your toothbrushes. Decent little sink for you to brush your teeth and everything with, and then decent sized shower with a installed shower curtain, slides across and locks into place. Skylight over the head, so that way if you're nice and tall, you have plenty of headroom. Again, my name is Dalton. I work with RV Wholesalers here. If you want to get in contact with me, my phone number is 877-877-4494, extension 153. You've probably seen this camper on YouTube. If you want to see more like it, subscribe to RV Wholesalers on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll find something you like, and then give me a call. We'll see what we can get done for you.